ayaw mo kumanta. Sige, hindi na pakakantahin.
Introducing the husky family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family, talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving for parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Gagawa nga tayong tulog.
Gandahan mo daw.
Nagandahan ko. Gagawa nga tayong tulog eh.
Hindi, wala ko nakikinig talaga. Oh.
Tutugtog ka rin? Ha? No, ikaw mag-ano? Kalabi.
Ayaw ko niya. Ikaw na lang daw.
Si Polly gumagalaw ang liig. Gumagalaw ang liig. Si Polly gumagalaw ang liig. Oo, ikaw naman, oh. Ikaw naman.
Oh, kanta ka dali, kanta ka na. Oo, kantahan ka lang ni Daddy. Ayaw mo?
Galing naman to.
Kanta ka nga. Oo, nakanta.
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.